I've heard that the only way you can get to a physical therapist is with a prescription from your doctor, either your primary care doctor or a specialist. The truth of the matter is that in the state of Arkansas, physical therapists are direct access providers. What that means is you don't have to see a physician before you come in to consult with a physical therapist. Part of our schooling in that 3-year doctorate degree is what we call differential diagnosis. Because of the shortage of primary care physicians and internists, we are being trained to a degree to look more holistically at the person and determine whether physical therapy care is appropriate. A lot of conditions can mimic a musculoskeletal issue. If you think of heart attack, sometimes people have neck pain and shoulder pain, arm pain. When you think of certain organ systems like kidney stones can mimic low back pain. We are trained to determine whether your specific condition is appropriate for our care. If it's not, obviously, we refer you on to another medical provider, oftentimes a physician, to work you up and to determine what it is that's causing your pain or your discomfort or your limitation in your activity. So, like I said, in the state, we can see you directly. And I've had countless situations where I've saved patients quite a bit of money because they didn't need to go in and see their primary care doctor. They didn't need to get an x-ray. They didn't need to be sent to a specialist. They didn't need to get the MRI. They didn't need to then get sent to physical therapy anyway 2 weeks down the road. So we are definitely a valuable asset to the healthcare system in certain situations to help you get back to doing the activities that you enjoy in a pain-free manner quickly. So that was myth number 4, busted. The last resource that I'm going to highlight is Twitter. Basically, we're in the 21st century. Twitter is a great resource as long as you're finding a reputable resource. There are other professional organizations within physical therapy that specialize in neurological care, women's health, pediatrics, orthopedics. We have so many subspecialties, just like in medicine, of physical therapy services. So if you're dealing with any of those particular areas and you need to find either a local provider or you need to find more information about that specific subspecialty, Twitter is a great resource, just utilizing the search tool and looking into some of the information that particular provider or that organization is highlighting, just to give you a heads up so that you can gain some information before you decide to go with physical therapy services.